सर इंटेरोगेटिव भी रह गया था, अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव हो गए थे।
ओके, future perfect tense, interrogative, first part, when the sentence begins with kya. So first of all, for this kya, we use our helping verb, and in future tense, our helping verb is will or shall. Okay, so we write here shall or will according to our subject, then subject plus have plus verb, third form plus object. Then rest of nouns and pronouns we will have will, then okay, sorry, its second point, when any question word comes in the mid of the sentence, then first of all we write the English of that question word. Question word plus shall or will according to our subject, then subject plus have plus verb, third form plus object, at last question mark. Now I tell you one important thing about this future perfect tense. It is a note, a special note. You can also note it down. Two sentences remain connected with each other by before. Okay. Now, first sentence comes in a future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Then before, then present indefinite tense. Okay, so only before comes in this sentence. Okay, so then we will write here first of all future perfect tense plus before, then present indefinite tense. Now we come to the example. अध्यापक अध्यापक के आने से पहले सभी विद्यार्थी कक्षा में पहुंच चुके होंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द इंग्लिश, सभी विद्यार्थी कक्षा में पहुंच चुके होंगे, क्योंकि यह भी आए नहीं है अध्यापक के आने से पहले, एंड बिकॉज दिस वर्क इज डन फर्स्ट। ओके, वी विल राइट द इंग्लिश फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सभी विद्यार्थी। सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स will have reached the class, will have reached in the class. But I tell you one point, after which no preposition is used. After which no preposition is used, we can write all the students will have reached the class. इसलिए इनकी हमें यहाँ कोई नीड नहीं पड़ेगी। Now the sentence is correct. Okay, the students will have reached the class before the teacher comes. Before the teacher comes. Okay. वर्षा होने से पहले किसान खेतों में बुआई नहीं कर पाएंगे या कर चुकेंगे। ओके, so the farmer will not. I told you in the rules that not will be placed between will and have. Okay, the farmers will not have plowed बुआई करना या जोतना। ओके, the farmers will not have plowed the fields या plowed the fields, खेत में जुताई करना। plowed the fields before it rains. You are seeing that our first sentence is first part of sentence in future perfect, second part in present definite. Same way here, first part in future perfect, the second part is present indefinite. Now we take examples of interrogative sentence. क्या तुम्हारे कहने से पहले, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, तुम्हारे कहने से पहले तुम्हारा भाई अपना काम पूरा कर चुकेगा. Okay, so this is the interrogative sentence and it is starting with क्या तुम्हारे कहने से पहले. But we read this sentence like this: तुम्हारे कहने से पहले क्या तुम्हारा भाई अपना काम पूरा कर चुकेगा. So this क्या is connected with तुम्हारा भाई, with this sentence. Okay, so we will write here our helping verb which is in future tense is will or shall. But here we will use will because shall is used with I and we. And I told you earlier that nowadays the use of shall is prohibited or not in trend. आजकल shall का use trend में नहीं है, प्रचलन में नहीं है. So will, okay, your brother, will your brother have completed his work. Okay, तुम्हारे कहने से पहले, before you see. Now one more example with the question word that comes in the middle of the sentence. पिताजी के समझाने से पहले तुम्हारा भाई दिल्ली में समझाने से पहले तुम्हारा भाई दिल्ली में क्या ढूंढ चुकेगा. Okay, so first of all, तुम्हारा भाई क्या ढूंढ चुकेगा. First of all, write the English of what, then will. Okay, what will your brother have searched. Okay, before पिताजी के before the father explained. At last question mark. I want to give here one more example which is common to present perfect, past perfect. A word comes already. Already means पहले ही. Okay. वह पहले ही अपना रिजल्ट प्राप्त कर चुका होगा. ओके, तो पहले ही जब बोलते हैं ऑलरेडी. ओके, तो ही विल हैव ऑलरेडी. ओके, तो ऑलरेडी कम्स always after the helping verb. Okay, because the importance of already is here. If you put already at the last of the sentence, no doubt the sentence will be right, but the good sentence will be when you place already after helping verb. Okay, so he will have already received his result. Okay, he will have already received his result means अपना परीक्षा परिणाम पहले ही प्राप्त कर चुका होगा. Okay, I think this tense would have been clear to you. Okay, now we come to the last of future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous. This will be our last tense. Okay, first of all, identification. Okay, at the last of this tense comes रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहेगी या हो रहा होगा. Okay, हो रहा होगा, हो रही होगी या हो रहे होंगे. हो आ भी सकता है according to sentence sense. Okay, now affirmative. Now same with I and we use shall plus have. As you already know that been comes in this sentence, been, B-double-E-N, been, will have been, shall have been, okay, plus verb, first form, plus ing, then object. Now I am adding here since or for. Okay, which I have already explained you about since or for. Now, the second part. Let's talk now. And pronouns. We will plus have plus been plus verb, first form plus ing, then object, then since or for according to our time. Now, the second part is negative sentence. Okay, same. I and we will use shall not have, plus been verb first form plus ing plus object, then since or for according to your subject, according to your time. Second part, rest of nouns and pronouns. Rest of noun and pronouns, we will use will plus not plus have plus been plus verb first form plus ing, then object plus since or for according to our time. Now, into the sentence. As you know already, because I have given you this point in each sentence. First part, one sentence begins with kya. So for this kya, we use our helping verb like shall or will according to our subject. Then subject, have, been plus verb first form plus ing, then object plus since or for at last question mark. Second part, when any question word comes in the mid of sentence. Okay, so first of all, we write the English of the question word, as you know already. So first of all, we write the English of question word. Question word plus shall or will according to our subject. Then subject plus have plus been verb first form plus ing, then object plus since or for according to our time, and then at last question mark into the sign. Okay, now come to the example. ये खिलाड़ी सुबह से मैदान में फुटबॉल का अभ्यास कर रहे होंगे। तो ये खिलाड़ी, these players, will have been playing football, sorry, not playing, practicing, अभ्यास कर रहे होंगे। practicing, PRECTICE जब होता है it becomes noun, and PRECTISE when come ISE it becomes verb. Okay, so the spelling is PRECTISING. Okay, now these players will have been practicing football मैदान में, in the ground, कब से? सुबह से, since morning. Second, ये बच्चे 4 बजे से